A sudden misfire can make your car feel like it is falling apart. And if you see the code P0212, your computer is pointing directly at a circuit malfunction for the cylinder 12 fuel injector. This is a generic powertrain code, which means it can show up on any modern vehicle equipped with a 12-cylinder engine or specific heavy-duty configurations. The powertrain control module is constantly watching the voltage on the injector circuit, and it expects to see it drop close to zero when the injector is fired and return to battery voltage when it is switched off. If the computer does not see these specific changes, or if the electrical resistance is way out of whack, it sets this code and turns on the service engine soon light. You will definitely feel a rough idle and very poor acceleration because you are essentially driving with one dead cylinder. While a bad fuel injector is usually the culprit, you cannot rule out a broken wire or a short in the harness. To diagnose this, you should use a digital volt ohm meter to check the resistance of the injector itself. If the resistance is not what the manufacturer specifies, the injector is faulty and needs to be replaced. You should also check the connector to ensure you have at least 10 volts or more going to the unit. A classic trick if you do not have expensive testing tools is to swap the injector from cylinder 12 with an injector from a different cylinder. If the trouble code moves to that new cylinder, you know for a fact the injector is the problem. If the code stays put on cylinder 12, then you are looking at a wiring issue or a problem with the driver inside the powertrain control module. You should take your car to a pro if you are not comfortable working with pressurized fuel systems, or if you suspect the engine computer itself has failed. Fixing a misfire like this as soon as possible is the best way to protect your catalytic converters from being damaged by unburned fuel.